everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a plan with me in my May monthly spread in my mini happy planner. And what I use this for is a budget tracker. So what I'm going to be using today is this Lilacs kit from GreenDarnerDesigns, and I love her kits because they are gorgeous. They're really functional for me, and I can include a discount code for you down below. It's Karina20 that you can use at GreenDarnerDesigns. All right, so let's get started. I absolutely love Green Darner's kits for the mini happy planner, especially for the monthly, because one, they're just absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and two, they fit absolutely perfectly into the monthly spreads. And I don't have to struggle to use all the pieces. I don't feel bad about not using all the pieces just because it's already such a pretty kit. So there I'm placing the date covers along the top and then the note section down the side. And then these gorgeous florals to cover up those spaces that don't have dates in them. So when it comes to my monthly budget spread, it really is just a tracker of when my paydays are, when my bills due are, and what I spend on a day-to-day basis. And really for me, it's just a place to keep track of everything, because I actually keep track of everything in a spreadsheet at home. So when I'm out and about, this for me is a good reminder of when I'm out and about, I have to pay certain things. But also when I do any spending, I know that I can track it in my tracker at home. So there I also had a sheet of these savings boxes with the script word savings in the top, and Shelly made these especially for me actually, and these are sold in the shop as well. So the first thing I am doing is placing down the bill dues and then the days that I have to put certain funds into my different savings accounts. And I'm trying to use the bigger boxes for the bill due, but unfortunately I ran out of them. So I am actually lucky, or I'm glad that it worked out that way, that I had exactly enough bill due stickers for what I needed. And then Shelly has a few of these icons that worked well for what I needed it, but I almost wish there were a few more different icons that would go well with my budget spread. You know, a couple more credit card ones, one for my phone, things like that. Maybe I'll suggest it to Shelly in the future. So now I'm just putting down my paydays, and I do them in the smaller box with the label as well. So for anyone who's ever not sure what to use your monthly spread for in your mini happy planner, this is another idea for you, because I'm also the type of person where I don't want to have to track what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis in my monthly spread and in my weekly spread. I find that a little, it's just writing things in two different spaces, and you don't necessarily need to do that. So I'm using it as a budget spend tracker. So what I'm doing in the notes section is I'm writing down the list of my bills due in chronological order. And that way I can see it in two different spots. I can see it on the actual day on the calendar or on the monthly spread, and then here I can see it as a list. And then underneath that, I am going to write down my paydays. And someone asked me this before, but when it comes to actually budgeting on a day-to-day basis, I have a spreadsheet at home that I keep track of everything from, and keep track of the amount that I have remaining after the end of each paycheck and spending and things like that. But for me, in my planner on a day-to-day basis, I like having this at my fingertips. But that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again and have a great day.